Hello, COU 642 students. So I wanted to just briefly give you an overview of how to use the big interview platform. So this is a project that you're going to be working on, thinking mainly of how your potential client base would fare using this platform. But I also wanted to get your feedback on how you assumed the usability of the platform as well. So when you go to syracuse.biginterview.com, you're going to put in your net ID and password. If you haven't registered yet, you're going to need to register that. Since you have a .edu, syr.edu email address, I would recommend you just use your net ID and password. You're going to come here to the landing page, and you're going to want to click on assignments up here in the top right center part of your screen. What I did is I went to the assignments guidelines in Blackboard. I downloaded that and I found the assignment code for this project. I'm just going to paste that in there and I'm going to go to go. Now, once I hit go, it recognizes the assignment code and it says this assignment requires a response of under 3 minutes and a maximum of 2 takes for each question. So that means that I have up to 3 minutes to respond to the interview question that was asked of me. Anything over 3 minutes is just going to close your response and not let you record anymore. So it's important to make sure that you're using your time judiciously so you end before that 3-minute mark. You're also allowed 2 takes for each question. So if you have the question, you didn't like it the first time the way you answered it, guess what? You can go back and you can re-record a new one. But that's it. So I think I'm ready, right? Let's go to it. So I'm going to say I'm ready. And okay, so I'm actually going to do, I'm going to go to the fourth question. What do you like to do in your spare time? So I'm going to think about this briefly. I'm going to try to generate an answer in my head that I know will be confident and will sound really good. I'm just going to start recording gibberish if that's okay. Well, in my spare time, I like to take care of myself. It helps counteract some of the stress and anxiety in my professional life. So my favorite thing to do is to use the Peloton to exercise and get the endorphins flowing. I'm also a huge concert goer, so I love when there's not a worldwide pandemic, going to concerts and having a little bit of fun and traveling as well. Stop recording. So I can rewatch that response. Okay, that answer is terrible, folks. So I'm going to re-record it. So then it allows me to re-record it. I like saving babies and cats and trees and putting out fires in my community. That's really what I like to do in my spare time. Stop recording. Okay, we're sorry, you're out of takes. We'll save this recording as your final answer. So it's automatically saved. You do not need to do anything else. That response is now going to show up on the managerial side. If I wanted to evaluate you, that's how I would do it. Now, once you're done with these 5 questions, then all you have to do is go back to, let's see if I can do this properly. Stop